So you want to get started with NFTs. You're just not sure exactly how. Well, you've come to the right place. I'm putting together a playlist, taking you from the start, setting you up, and then giving you some advice about how to go about buying and selling NFTs essentially. So firstly, I want to preface this, letting you know that this will be a tutorial on Solana. I don't trade on Ethereum, and the reason why I don't is because the gas fees are just really high. So the barrier of entry into Ethereum firstly is extremely high. On Solana, the gas fees are almost non-existent. So buying and selling NFTs becomes a lot easier and a lot cheaper. So that's the first reason. So this has to do with Solana. Okay, so when you want to buy NFTs, the first thing you need to realize is that you can't buy them, at least currently, you can't buy them with your usual currencies. This means you can't take your dollars and go buy an NFT. You actually have to convert it into cryptocurrency, in this case Solana, in order to actually be able to buy an NFT. This also means that you have to create a Web 3.0 wallet. Now, when trading with Solana, the best wallet to create is just simply a phantom wallet. So I'm going to show you how. Let's dive in. Okay, so we go to Google and you type in phantom wallet. Make sure you go to, there's two options. You could go to phantom and add it in that way, right? Or you can go to phantom on Twitter. So you can go to the actual Twitter account. See the tick there. Make sure you are buying from the actual account and click on phantom.app. Either way would work, but what you do want to keep in mind is that you're actually downloading an app from Phantom and not a fake app, right? There's scammers out there, and when it comes to NFTs, you really need to be careful and make sure that you don't get scammed. So I'll point out some tips to try and avoid getting all your money or NFTs stolen from you. Okay, so you click add to Chrome. Again, add to Chrome. Yeah, add extension. And it should download. Perfect. So create new wallet. Okay, this is your secret recovery phrase. Now this is something that you need to keep safe. If you ever forget your password for your wallet and you need to recover it, this is exactly what you would need. I honestly would recommend writing this down, keeping them in the right order, writing this down and putting it somewhere safe. Keeping it offline is obviously safer than keeping it on your phone, on your cloud storage, wherever you would decide to keep it. So keep this somewhere safe. That way people can't get access to your wallet essentially. Okay, so I've saved it somewhere. I mean, you can copy it for now and put it and paste it somewhere else, but yeah, like I said, keep it offline. I've saved it somewhere. Okay, let's create a password. Okay, keyboard shortcut. This is a simple keyboard shortcut to essentially bring up the extension. Yeah, we're all done. And it's as simple as that, right? Now, if you go to the top corner here where the puzzle piece is, you can click on there and actually pin the extension onto your Google Chrome. And now we have a Web 3.0 Phantom wallet. Click on the wallet. Let's see what happens. That is wallet 1. Now you're going to want to have multiple wallets. The reason for this is simple. There are two ways to go about buying an NFT. You can mint it, and what this means is you buying it directly from essentially the manufacturer. You buying your Nike sneaker directly from Nike, from the factory essentially, right? You buying it as it gets made. This is minting, the way money gets minted. That's one way of buying it. The second way of buying it is on the secondary market. You go into another store that sells sneakers and you go and buy a Nike sneaker, right? That's the secondary market. So those are the two ways to buy from. Now, when you're buying on secondary markets, yes, you have to make sure you are on the actual marketplace and not a duplicate scam setup marketplace, because people have lost their Solana and their NFTs that way too. People's wallets have been cleared that way, but that way is less risky than minting. When you mint, you need to make sure that you use a burner wallet. This way is just a little safer. So essentially your burner wallet is the wallet where you transfer enough Solana over to make the purchase, to mint however many NFTs you want to mint, usually a smaller amount. Some people even go as far as creating multiple wallets for each mint. That way, if they end up minting from a scam website, that they would only lose the amount of Solana that they were putting into the mint for one NFT, right? So you can create as many wallets as you like. All you have to do is click on add connect wallet, create new wallet, and that's essentially it. There we go, wallet 2. You've got 2 wallets. You can go ahead and you can rename the wallets. So this can be burner 1, right? And you can go ahead and create your vault wallet, where you keep all your stuff safe. This is the wallet that you don't use to mint. This is the wallet that you use to store maybe your reserves, your reserved Solana or your NFTs, making sure that no one really gets access to this wallet. Now you can share your wallet address and not really have to worry about people being able to take anything out of your wallet. If they don't have that key phrase and they don't have your they don't have your password, in essence, they can't access your wallet. Now people would need your wallet address to send something to you. So in the case of entering these competitions on Twitter to win a free NFT or win some Solana, it would be okay to drop your wallet under the comment section and have it out there for the public, because they can't really take anything from you. But again, when minting, make sure you use a burner wallet, because I have seen a lot of people who have lost the entire collection and all of their Solana by simply not using a burner wallet. So yes, it may take a little bit of Solana to transfer over from your vault wallet to your burner wallet, but it is completely worth it. Okay, so in this video, I simply showed you how to create your Web 3.0 wallet. Now, hold on, you're almost there. You first need to be able to fund your wallet, right? You need some currency so that you can actually go ahead and buy an NFT. So in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. For now, I ask that you subscribe. That way you're notified every time I post a video. You can keep learning and keep getting more experience so that you can actually go ahead and start making some money with NFTs.